Hey there, it's Sharp as Pressure Washing. We just want to thank you for watching this video. Today we took care of a driveway. You can see us doing our usual methodology, watering down the surfaces, applying the chemical, and making sure all the residue is rinsed off properly. We even hit the gutters in there. We just do that in extra for the customer. She was definitely very happy and gives a 5-star review at the end. Thank you for watching. You guys stay blessed, have a great day, and happy early 4th of July.